Welcome back to the morning agenda on Power 106 FM. I'm Kemoy McEachron. Now, artificial intelligence tools are becoming increasingly common in real estate offices worldwide, and Jamaica is no exception. From visual claims to spoken and written claims, AI systems tend to produce information that sounds credible but may be incorrect or incomplete. In foreign markets, there are already instances where AI-generated listings cited nearby amenities or features that did not exist. In Jamaica, similar mistakes could mislead buyers about access, views, infrastructure, or development potential elements that frequently influence property value. Beyond marketing, AI is also entering discussions around legal and procedural guidance. Some platforms now market themselves as tools that can answer legal questions for agents and clients. That poses a clear risk. To help us understand